in the year 1988, I completed my MBBS, and because I'm from Pune, then I started my clinic, that is called the GP clinic, General Practitioners Clinic, in a
जी
very what do you say, busy area of Pune. Like in Delhi, you have the Connaught Place. Like in
जी
Pune, we have the city area.
हाँ
That's
जी
called
सर
the Raviwar Pet area,
अच्छा
which is
रविवार
full
पे
of shops, market, everything. So I started my practice in 1988,
जी
immediately after passing my MBBS. But
अच्छा
after MBBS, but the issue was that at that time I failed to understand that just
हम्म
getting an MBBS degree is not enough to become a pediatrician.
हम्म
But there was a lot of passion in me to start my practice while doing my MBBS, the last internship. कि मुझे था कि come to Pune and start your practice. And to my surprise, around 80% patients were all pediatrics. And
जी
yeah, and I was every day morning I used to go and work as some senior doctor, learn about pediatrics, the things what the MBBS degree didn't had no scope to learn. In MBBS we just taught basic pediatric things, but when you come into practice, you are face all challenges. You get cases of diarrhea with dehydration, pneumonias, convulsions, epilepsy, so many things. So I didn't know what
जी
to do, but somehow for nearly 1 year I pulled my practice with a lot of passion to treat children. But then myself, I believe in myself. Myself knew that I have to still train myself. So after 12 months of my initial practice,
जी
I
सर
closed my clinic. I went to a place called Davanagere. In
अच्छा
those days, in 1988, Davanagere Department of Pediatric was one of the top in the country.
लवली
We had around 8 units there, a diarrhea unit, a pneumonia unit, so much. I had heard about that as a student. So I went without getting a seat. I ran to Davangere to learn pediatrics. But I didn't get an empty seat. So what do? I left home. I went to Davangere. Then I requested the HOD of that college, Dr. Nirmala Kesari. She's no more there right now. She gave me a job of a resident doctor. So one
अच्छा
year I worked there with no PG post. After 1 year, I somehow managed to get a PG post. I did my MD from Davangere, MD and diploma child life.